In this video tutorial, let us look at a very cool feature in OneNote that allows you to add space between your paragraph notes where you can add other content. You can also add space within your typed notes. You can also remove extra space from within your notes to better organize the content of your notes in OneNote. Now, you can insert space in OneNote using two methods. The first method is to go to the Insert menu and look for the option that says Insert Space. You can use this option to add and remove space. You can also go to the Edit button group on the Draw tab of the ribbon. This also allows you to add space between existing notes in a section. Now, how to use this feature? You can click the Insert Space button and then place your mouse pointer between the notes where you want to insert the extra space. Now, wherever you place the mouse pointer, you will see a horizontal line with a downward arrow pointing. Now, when the icon appears in the position where you want it to, click and drag downward with the mouse to create extra space. When you do this, all the content below the line will be shifted downward in the page. And after you have added the desired amount of space, just leave the mouse button. This way you can add selected space. Now, if you want to remove space from between notes, you can once again click the Insert Space button on the Insert menu and place the icon above the second note above which you want to remove the space from, and then click and drag upwards toward the first note. This allows you to reduce or even completely eliminate the space if you want. Now, you can also use the Insert Space option to shift all the notes in a page either to the left or to the right. And to do that is extremely straightforward. You click the Insert Space button on the Insert menu and you can then place the mouse pointer icon at the left or the right of the page. If it's on the left, you just drag to the right, and if you have placed it to the right, then you can drag it to the left to add space. So this option to insert space is extremely useful in OneNote, as you might already have existing notes and you might want to insert space between the notes to format it better for future review. I hope you found this video useful. If so, let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to get more such videos for free. Take care.